Welcome to this YouTube channel. I'll be showing you how to solve simultaneous equation using four methods. Number one, we'll be using elimination method. Number two, we'll be using substitution method. Number three, we'll be using graphical method. Number four, I'll be showing you how to use matrix, which is also known as Cramer's rule, to solve simultaneous. And the equation we're going to be using for this learning is actually 2x plus 3y equals to 12. Then x plus 2y equals to 7. So we're using the, let's proceed.